Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss the new topic probability, which is common for all the boards. So let's start. In this topic, first we are dealing with possible outcome, which is known as sample space. Sample space means possible outcomes, which has to be written in set form. For example, a die is thrown. So my sample space, when die is thrown, 6 possible outcomes are there. Then this is my n of s, number of sample points. Number of sample point means how many elements are there in the set. In this set, 6 elements are there. So my number of sample point is 6. Suppose a coin is tossed. Then my sample space, 2 possibilities are there. Either I'll get head or tail. So my number of sample point, 2 outcomes are there. So 2. Now, further part, whatever event we are selecting from them, that indicate the number of event, and that event also we have to write in the form of set. For example, I am choosing a number less than 7. It means in my event all the 6 numbers will be there. So my number of that event is 6. If I want to find its probability means number of selected event upon total possible outcomes. So n of a by n of s. If I am taking this 6, so my probability is 1. If I select a number which is negative, is there any possibility? No negative number is there. So no element will come in this event. So my n of b will be 0. So in that case, my probability is 0 by 6. 0 by anything is 0. This indicates that your probability value ranges maximum between 0 to 1. So probability value is always between 0 and 1. Now just see this sum. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black. A ball is drawn at random. Find the probability that the ball drawn is red or not red. Not red means black. Now, first of all, if first part, A, I am considering the event red. How many red balls are there? 3. So my n of A is 3. As you know, when you take the sample space, 3 red balls, 5 black. So total number of balls with me, 8. So when you find the probability, it will be n of A upon n of S, that is 3 by 8. Now in second part, not red, I can solve this in 2 ways. I know total probability is 1. So if that concept I am using, then my probability of red plus probability of not red, that will be my total, that is always equals to 1. So 3 by 8 plus probability of not red, that will be equals to 1. So my probability of not red, that will be 1 minus 3 by 8, that is 5 by 8. Or I can solve this in this way. Not red means only the black one. So suppose that is my event B. So in that 5 black are there. So my N of B is 5. Then my probability of B will be N of B by N of S, that is 5 by 8. So either you can solve by this concept or this one. Always keep in mind, total probability is always 1. Now we are dealing with coin sums. In your syllabus you have 3 kinds of coin sums. A coin is tossed, two coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed twice and 3 coins are tossed, or a coin is tossed thrice. Now, one by one we will do. For example, the first one, a coin is tossed. Find the probability of getting a tail, no head. So first we will deal with the sample space. Your sample space consists of tail or head, 2 possibilities. So your N of S is 2. First part, a tail. So only tail will come. So my N of A is 1. Therefore probability of A, which is N of A upon N of S, 1 by 2. Now B even is no head, means again tail. So my N of B is also 1. So P of B is N of B upon N of S, again it is 1 by 2. Now in this sum, 2 coins are tossed. Find the probability. First, at least, at most 1 tail and the only head. Now first we will go with the sample space. I may get both the heads, both the tail, or first one head or second one head. So these are my 4 possible outcomes. So my N of S is 4. Now according to first one, at least 1 tail. At least 1 tail means 1 tail even with the 1 tail or more than. So from this we have to select the element which have 1 tail or more than 1. So I can't select this. Double T I can select. HT, TH. So my N of A is 3. Therefore, my probability of A, that will be N of A by N of S, 3 by 4. In second part, at most 1. At most 1 means the element with 1 tail and less than 1 tail, means without tail also. So at most we have to move towards the left part. So 1 tail, first I will select the outcomes HT, TH, then without tail is my HH. So again my N of B will be 3. So my probability you can calculate by using formula. Again you will get 3 by 4. Now in the third part, only head. Only one this element has only head, no tail. Only head. So my N of C is 1. Therefore, my probability of C is 1 by 4. Now, 3 coins are tossed. So, first we will deal with the sample space. Now, 3 coins are tossed. So, I may get all the 3 outcomes as head, then all the 3 tail. If I am considering the possibility with 1 head and 2 tail, then I will get this arrangement. If I deal with 1 head, 2 head, 1 tail, these are the 3 possibilities. So my N of S is 8. Again I am explaining all the 3 head, all the 3 tail, 2 tail, 1 head, 3 possibilities are there. 2 head, 2 heads, 1 tail, this possibility. Now, first one, head at middle. In this, head is at middle. Here, head is at middle. Here also head is at middle. Here also head is at middle. So my N of A is 4. Therefore, probability of A will be N of A upon N of S 4 by 8. Always reduce it. Otherwise, you won't get marks in your board exam. If it is reducible, always reduce it. Second event, at least 2 tail. Means I have to consider elements with 2 tails as well as more than that, because the at least is given. So 2 tails, 3 tail also I can take because it is at least. This will come, this will come, this will also come, this will. Here 1 tail is there, I can't take it. So, at least 2 means minimum 2 should be there. So, my N of B is again 4. So, my probability of B is 4 by 8. When I reduce, again I will get 1 by 2. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood everything. Actually, probability is a very vast topic. A part of that concept you have for your 10th standard. So I am explaining everything according to the 10th standard level. So if you have any doubt, just put your comment and leave.